You're going to love this gorgeous home located in one of the most sought-after areas of Southwest Cape Coral. This 4-halves pool home, situated on an oversized triple lot, features a bright open floor plan with vaulted ceilings in the living room, formal dining room with custom cabinetry/built-in buffet, and a completely remodeled kitchen with new cabinetry, beautiful quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The owner's suite, with sliders to the lanai/pool area, features 2 walk-in closets, a spacious bathroom with updated tile shower and dual sink vanity. The guest bedrooms, on the opposite side of the home, are all spacious with walk-in closets. Their shared bathroom has also been beautifully updated with new cabinetry and quartz countertops. One of the features you'll love most is the screened pool and lanai. The perfect setting to relax and enjoy that coveted Florida sunshine. The solar heated pool, complete with a large sun shelf, added in 2014, and extended covered lanai are perfect for entertaining. Other updates include modern wood look plank tiles, 5 1/4 inches baseboards in living areas, and a home water filtration system. Great location, close to restaurants and downtown Cape Coral.